Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting data. Back up your documents, desktop, and app data to an external drive or cloud. Check the copies. Next, uninstall unused programs and settings apps. Focus on large, unknown entries. Once done, run disk cleanup as administrator, choose cleanup system files, and remove temporary files, Windows Update Cleanup, and previous installations to free space and reduce clutter. You proceed to deeper maintenance. Enable Storage Sense or run a trusted cleaner to remove caches, logs, and thumbnails. Then, scan with Windows Defender offline or a reliable AV to find and remove stealthy malware that slows the system. After that, clear each browser cache and reset problematic apps. Finally, run sfc/scano, and if issues remain, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted systems. You finish by installing all pending Windows updates and updating drivers. Prioritize chipset, graphics, and network drivers from vendor sites. Once updated, open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps to speed boot times. Set a balanced power plan for consistent performance. After verifying responsiveness, create a system restore point and a fresh full backup. If something goes wrong, boot to safe mode, undo recent driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.